Difference between one-way and two-way slab. Hello friends, my name is Engineer Adnan and in today's lecture I will talk about the difference between one-way and two-way slab. To watch more lecture like this one, subscribe to our channel. So let's discuss the difference between one-way and two-way slab. Let's draw the two diagrams first. So this side is the L and this side is the B. Now for one-way slab. One-way slab is a slab which is supported by beam on the two opposite sides to carry the load along one direction. In one-way slab, the ratio of longer span L to the shorter span B is equal to or greater than 2. Here the longer span divided by shorter span, this ratio will be greater than or equal to 2. So the example wherein the slab is a type of one-way slab. Now let's come to the two-way slab. So for two-way slab, when a reinforced concrete slab is supported by a beam on all the four sides and the load are carried by the support along both directions, this is called two-way slab. In two-way slab, the ratio of longer span L to shorter span B is greater than 2. This will be the longer span divided by shorter span is greater than 2. Note, this type of slab are mostly used in the floors of multi-story building. So this is our topic for today.